As you all know, the Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2015 was held last week at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James. Local companies got a chance to meet, greet and forge partnerships with our Jamaican brothers and sisters overseas.
The reason for being here is because we are trying to bring the taste, the true taste of Jamaica to the UK. The products that we're working with at present is teas. We're working with water, lifespan water, a rum bar, and one of the most interesting things is bag juice.
So this diaspora conference has worked for you?
Yeah, it has actually, because the JAMPROs managed to arrange a number of meetings with various different suppliers in various different sectors in the food and beverages industry, which I'm hoping that over the next months we can sit down and negotiate terms and import some more products into the UK.
And through Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO's business-to-business or B2B meetings, local companies will also be tapping into the export market. Andrew Chisholm spoke with one representative of a local company.
We're here with Antoinette Palmer Davis, whose company specializes in personal care products. They cater to your skin or body and or hair, am I correct? Yes. And her brand is called Etenio. Antoinette, how has the Diaspora Conference helped you with your product?
It has been a great experience. So far we've had 2 B2B meetings, compliments of JAMPRO. They saw these people for us and we're very happy for that. We have met so far with a young lady from out of Maryland, and she will be distributing the products in the DC, Maryland and Virginia area. She'll be targeting the boutique stores because our products are very high end. So she'll be targeting the boutique stores, the boutique salons to carry our products in those 3 states. It's a very good conference. We're making lots of inroads. With Etenio going to the world, we are going to be known as a destination for good skin, good hair care, good body care products.
We're looking for linkages with various diaspora organizations to spread the funding for the projects that we carry. We're getting a lot of funding from non-Jamaicans, which is a little bit of a concern for me, so we're trying to plug it into the Jamaican diaspora. That's the primary reason. Secondly, it's just a good networking opportunity. Any economic development program for Jamaica going forward needs to heavily include the diaspora. So I hope to be part of that and to play a role in that, both from my own perspective in my own businesses and as a matter of the macro economy and what it can do in that regard.
So local businesses and members of the Jamaica Diaspora are seeking to support Jamaica's economic reform program by expanding their businesses, which in turn will create jobs and grow the economy. As the theme suggests, individuals at the Jamaica Diaspora are linking for growth and prosperity.